Legal practitioner Moses Onyeloko joins me for more on this story. One would have thought, Mr. Onyeloko, that this particular case would have gone beyond the Federal High Court with intervention from Superior Court. So what do you make of this latest court ruling?
Good evening. The latest court ruling, judgment, it's not a ruling, it's a judgment delivered today by the Federal High Court. The court, with the requisite jurisdiction, to entertain such matter. And I think the judgment has put to rest all this thought about whether the 27 lawmakers defected or not. That is a position.
Well, I understand the position. I'm just saying that there are several other judgments from courts of equal jurisdiction in this regard. Don't you agree that the Superior Court would have a better say in this regard?
I don't know what other courts that gave judgment that one will say it has any effect of affecting the judgment given today. Because the judgment given, it wasn't even a judgment, the order made by the Rivers State High Court went on appeal, and the Court of Appeal said that no state high court has the jurisdiction to determine whether the seat of a lawmaker is vacant or not. That it is the Federal High Court, and it is the Federal High Court that has given this decision today. So this is the real decision they need, and not what a High Court of State is saying. That is the position.
So it would seem that this judgment is based on technicalities, talking about the date that the petition filed its case. What is the position of the law as to when lawmakers defect to another party, different from the ones that sponsor their election?
The position of the law, if a lawmaker defects from the political party that sponsors or sponsored him to another political party, and a member of the legislative house or the speaker brings that to the house with evidence of such defection, then the seat of that lawmaker will be declared vacant. But in this case, there is no evidence of defection of these 27 lawmakers. It's all about conjecture. In social media, somebody is saying this one happened. Another person will say the other thing happened. But the case before the court, the facts brought before the court, has not suggested that they defected. Evidence of defection is not something that one will be looking for like a needle. It should be clear enough because it's a constitutional matter. It is not something that you speculate. They say they have not defected, and there are other court processes that APC say, no, they have not defected to APC. PDP also filed court processes to say they have not yet defected and they are participating in activities in their respective wards. So this issue of defection or not defection, I think it is just being used to keep them out and preventing them from performing their constitutional function. That is it.
That's our time. Legal practitioner Moses Onyeloko, thank you for talking to us on the news tonight.
Thank you.
And still ahead on TVC News at 10, FCT Command of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps hands over suspected cybercrime for prosecution.